hot tub that movie top. Probably. Until March 9th, Trumpy. Boba Fett as the Mandalorian. I didn't catch the backstory in that Mandalorian. Is he supposed to be like Boba Fett's grandfather? Like related or something?
It's a whole tribe.
The Boba Fett tribe.
So Mandalorian is like a race, a tribe.
Is that where Boba Fett came out of?
And pretty much their religion is war.
So just a mask happens to look like kind of like Boba Fett.
They're not supposed to be at peace. They're supposed to be at war all the time.
So maybe they become bounty hunters.
Then they're like Smurfs because they never take off their helmets for anybody.
The Smurf dwarfs.
I thought that was part of their head.
Head cheese.
Head donut.
Head back. All the 63 pounds went to the back of his neck. Demasked.
I just finished editing a video, but I can't get signal here to upload it.
Really? A little love goes a long way.
Shout out to Rugby 721.
Yeah, shout out to Portugal. What the hell's going on in Portugal?
Shout out to Spooky Gamer 76.
Yeah.
Keep them running.
Rugby 721, does it snow in Portugal? Right now, is it winter? What's going on over there? What do you do in the winter?
Should brought that Robin costume. Expanding
High blood pressure suit.
the high blood pressure man.
Just raging pressure.
Every episode he either has a stroke or a heart attack.
guys just sitting around. I made some popcorn shrimp CPAC. Fucking spark up a chiefer. Watch some fucking Hulu or something.
Spark up a fucking cheaper. I think I'm gonna start a new channel. I'm tired of this one.
Start smoking blunt.
Yeah, smoking blunt so I drink. Shit, it's
Smoking cigars and cigarettes and shit.
Why did this?
Oh. We're here with Herbie Hancock. He's recording a new album. It's called The New Album by Herbie Hancock. It's on display at your local record store.
You finally did soft jazz.
It's like new age pop jazz. Sort of pop jazz.
Very jazz.
NFL. It's
Yeah.
game night.
It sounds like one of those Sega games.
Soundtrack. Sonic the Fledgling Hog. Mandalorian with Boba Fett.
Oh, baby, my hat, what you gonna come and do it to? My hat, oh, oh, oh.
For it, wait, baby, wait for it now.
Do you see that one video with the intro?
Yeah. Yeah, it was like all you like cover up all the other with all your own
Like
lyrics.
shitty fucking
Female
Ah.
door phone. Freedom 40. Freedom 40 is dead. Stay dead, Freedom 40.
Thank God.
Stay dead, Freedom
Fucking
40.
faggots.
Stay dead.
How long can you fucking be gay?
Yeah, you didn't even hardly make 10 years, you stupid bastards.
Cock. You smoking.
You cunt blacking motherfuckers.
Fucking Yankees.
You
Fucking Yank fucks.
die, Freedom 40.
Die. Stay
Die.
dead. Stay dead.
Burning every fucking kind of hell there is. A big soup hell. You're in it, boiling.
Fucking drowned every day.
Take all those other motherfuckers with you.
Fucking drowned in piss.
Drink piss 40s.
Fucking piss heads.
You're so fucking.
Shithead pissers.
You're so gay. You're nothing but a bunch of gay lovers. Fuck you, Freedom 40. We described. I mean, I don't even know what's happening. We unsubbed.
Fuck you, Spooky Gamer 66.
We love you, but fuck you.
The fuck? You should be on your 100,000th video right now.
Yeah. Come on, crack it in the ass. Put a whip on your ass or something.
Crack that shit in the ass. One thing I made a weapon. The fuck? Hammer. War hammer. War shot hammer.
Why do you have Twizzlers around? What the fuck? You have Twizzlers wrapped up around there. If you play with fire, you're gonna get burnt.
It's like mold.
If you play with fire, you will get burnt. Fuck us.
Fuck. sir. Computer duster. I'm gonna have to get hit with that.
Oh shit. Put the kids to bed.
Put the kids to bed.
Send them to the neighbors for an overnight.
Kids over the Jonas's.
It's adult night here. Adult entertainment only.
People only.
Ruby Hancock. You heard it here first. On the previously on Taxi!
Music album.
Would listen again. Down.
Listen to it just to be mad at it again.
You guys listen to the new Crazy Horse Neil Young album?
No.
Colorado. It's got a few good tunes. He's getting up there, so it's pretty cool.
What the fuck is who?
I know, right? Heard Rage Against the Machine's getting back together.
Yeah, I don't want to give a shit.
Did they?
Maybe if they make an album like their last one again.
Which was that? Battle for Los Angeles.
No.
Oh, that cover one.
Yeah, that
Renegades
was,
Funk.
that was good. I like that better. Hey, you can't play this. This is copyright.
You know, we do need a good Rage Against the Machine, though. That's really fucking politically charged with good mosh pit jams. Come back to life, Chris Cornell. Come back to life.
4 2 4 4 5 5 4 2 2 4 2 2 4 4 4 2 2 2 2 4 5
Pretty cool if they took Chris Cornell's body and
Lots will say you're talking to somebody.
5 2 5 4 4 2
Up here, you locked it?
4 4 4 4 2 2 4 2 4 4 2 4 4 2 3 4 2 4 2 4 3
if they took Chris Cornell and turned him into Frankenstein. No door foam. Is that your uncle this year? Did you guys, Peterson's got busted into again.
Yeah, we were just there.
You know, I talked to what's her face. I was like, "What the fuck happened to your doors again?" And she's like, "Someone broke in again. They got them on cam, but they're all dressed in black."
That's what they said. They couldn't identify him.
Those goddamn malt liquor drinkers. They're always wearing masks. They're always dressed in black. Fuck, man. Duped again. Duped again. Look at this. Go ahead. Your door foam finally turned back into, malt liquor there. No door foam. No door foam.
I'm gonna keep going. I want to open her bottle. Fuck it.
Do it, man.
Where's the other bottles? What were this cornucopic hat?
I found a really old vid of you drinking a 40.
Oh yeah,
right in there with that thing on. I didn't put it up though.
What?
It was rough. Protect your identity.
Mm-hmm. Some of them are
Well, I wasn't drunk enough in the video.
No, not you. I'm talking about him.
Oh. Who cares about him?
Herbie Hancock.
I would have been dwarf famous. Would have been all dwarfed up.
The dude's more known. The dude's more known online than we are, man.
What dwarf?
He's more known online than we are.
Yeah, he
Shit, man, my bacon videos are hitting more than my fucking flu videos.
makes my mouth water just think about bacon.
Yo, where are the other 40s?
In the snow.
Out in Mother Earth.
What the?
It's fucking Frozen Part 2. Frozen Malt Part 2.
The tundra effect. Out on the tundra with malt liquor. Searching for the elk. The big elk. You gotta pick that one motherfucker from that one Spanish movie.
Don Quixote Part 3.
Love for chocolate or whatever it's called.
Love for Chachi.
Chocolate love.
Love for Chachi. Hey, that was a perfect hit, right?
Chocolate XL.
Oh, look, it went right to my foot.
Oh my
I just walked the dog. The 40 cap throw.
Walk like an Egyptian.
Hit it again.
Yeah. Bunch of yo-yos. Bunch of yo-yos.
You bunch of yo-yos.
No fucking dwarf yo-yos. No fucking dwarf yo-yos. No fucking dwarf yo-yo.
This is the greatest taste in 40. Bill Clinton ever drank.
No dwarf form.
What's up with the nipples?
I don't know. It's cold. Oh, I'm sorry. It's cold out.
Fucking lying. Crying.
Fucking prime time, motherfucker.
Prime time crying, lying shame. It is.
It's a damn dirty ape.
Prime time.
It's a damn dirty ape, it is.
You fucking
And I
damn
wanna get
dirty
my-
ape.
And I want to get my hands on it.
Fucking ape nuts, for sure.
I want to get my hands on a silverback.
Ape nuts to the second power.
Come on, play that one.
I'll take the
Spirit-
silverback.
Play that one Spirit song on guitar.
Yeah, play something weird like play one of your flutes you haven't played in a while or something.
Yeah. And chant
Like
something.
one that's just been lonely. A lonely flute.
Floats. Tales of the lonely flutes.
Shoshone. Welcome to Shawnee.
Shoshone.
Welcome to Shoshone land.
Pokemon.
If you subscribe now, you'll get free tickets. to
Hey, you ever
Shoshone.
noticed that Piglin's voice is exactly the same voice as Sergeant Kabuki-Man's NYPD?
I never heard of such a thing. Herbie Hancock on guitar.
We're gonna drink an oldie classic 40 here. Or he sounds like, we're gonna drink an oldie classic 40 here.
32 ounce classic.
It's gonna be a good video.
That's so you must be related. Pieces of higher love.
in the morning.
Pieces
This video is cornucopia.
I'm at the downtown streets of fucking Duluth.
I'm fucking drunk.
I'm out in front of the Natty. I'm out in front of Natty right now. I'm WDI. Tonight,
Hi, we're here. It's a 2019
tonight there's a plasma
New
overflow.
Year's.
It's WDIO. It's freezer 40 ounce for
And we're all on E. We dropped E, acid, and we dropped the baby earlier.
We
We're
just
on
took
run
a-
from the cops.
Just dropped 40 ounce.
And we're all having fun.
Just dropped a 40 ounce of malt liquor tap in a glass bottle, and it's affordable in a 40 bottle. Got a perfect malt liquor dose. Peace is a high enough.
What is the song is this?
Whatever one you want it to be. It's all of them. It's olive oil. Popeye. Popeyes.
WDIO police.
WDIO police.
WDIO police here.
We're also reporters and
We're
police.
going to report
So-
your arrest.
We're gonna put you on
Yeah.
the newscast. Look, my
We're
nipple.
going live.
My nipple went weird.
We're going live.
I got the weirdest nipple. Look, I got an Audi belly button.
I got an any brain cell.
It's a Audi. It's an Audi uppy.
I got an Audi.
This is
uppy
called an
brain.
Audi uppy,
I got an outside brain.
and this is called a,
Outside
Audi
brain.
Downy.
Outside.
and this is
stomach.
called a
My
cornucopia.
intestines are actually
Cornucopia belly button. Too
my heart.
belly button like this.
I can't get clogged heart because I always got diarrhea.
My heart has diarrhea every day, every pump. Diarrhea
Every
pump. Pump the diarrhea.
Every pump is a squish.
Every blood cell is a diarrhea cell.
This big poopy squish. So I shit every time my heart pumps. But it's a good thing because it keeps me alive.
They checked my blood and had diarrhea cells up the
It
butt.
keeps my heart pumping at a healthy 5 pumps per day.
That's for you gay channels out there like Tuna and anyone who talks about gay stuff, including this one. Freedom 40, go fuck yourself, dumbasses.
The man period.
I hate you, Freedom 40, for what you did to us. To me.
May you rot in hell, Freedom 40.
Yeah. Hopefully, you take your own time machine back into space and delete yourself from the beginning. Assholes.
Why the fuck? Didn't you label your videos?
I got a divorce over you, dumbasses.
You're not supposed to watch this shit if you're a kid. Kids are smart enough to know that, but YouTube isn't.
Delicious. Refreshing. Shout out to all the Maltliquor drinkers. Fuck you too. Unsubscribe from Freedom 40 because they're fucking child molesters and murderers and rapists and faggots and Republicans.
Fucking alcoholics.
Yeah, they're alcoholics and they suck.
Unadmitted alcoholics.
And they're bad for society. So,
fucking lazy.
if you're
check
anyway
collecting,
in cahoots with those guys,
scoundrel,
get out of cahoots with them.
Scoundrelize.
They're scoundrel, yes. Listen to him. He knows. He knows what they're all about.
Motherfuckers living in squalor
They're
every
fucking-
day.
They're biggest. They're bigotry.
They're squalor, racist, squalorized, racist.
They're poor. They're Native
They're
Americans.
They're dumb Indians.
Yeah. So describe.
They're fucking
Shut 'em down.
shitty white people as well.
Help to shut down Freedom 40.
They're not even good enough to be fucking.
Help to sue them. Sue them through YouTube for all the bullshit they pulled over the last 9 years. They couldn't even make it to 10 years, those dumb fucks.
Fucking murderers.
They were so close. Yeah, they kill people. For no reason. I mean, they cut off their genitals, behead them, cut their digits off, all that crap.
They
I mean,
killed
they're ruthless.
people
They
that no one knew existed.
They killed Gummy Mano too, but she's still alive.
They took the names from the name unnamed. They took the name from the nameless.
Subscribe to Freezer 40 ounce there, and fuck Freedom.
No, don't do that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna shut down this channel.
Starting a new
too.
channel where you smoke cigars.
I'm gonna make one new channel every new video. So I got a new name every new video.
Yeah, fuck trolls.
Like fuck doing
What a
that
waste
much.
of time.
If you do any more than one good video per channel or one shitty video per channel,
What
you're
more can you
fucked.
ask for?
You're fucked to begin with.
Yeah. Drink
Come
malt
on,
liquor.
for the future.
Whatever you do, drink malt liquor and
You gotta think with
and
your
subscribe to the
your
Four
cyber-
Horsemen.
cyber head. Let's shut this off.
Try to talk sense to mind. Liberate our hostile spirits, destroyer. And our pressures get numbed out, so we fall out. Sidewalk now catch me softly. I've come away, rolled away from a straight path. I stand staggering willfully.